people won't believe me, but my hallucination was so bad that on the last day I can see dead bodies hanging on the stage. I'm like, my god, I never planned for 170 hours.
Oh, okay.
It was
we kept wondering why 170.
Why 170?
Yeah.
Yes.
there are chances that I might try to break my own record.
Wow.
That's awesome.
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे. I was like, oh my god.
One embarrassing moment.
It was a very big fest. I took the pot. I blew the candles on the stage.
We are clapping for her and she goes like, Akka, with tears in her eyes. Akka, don't clap.
He was like clapping and he just slept there. Then again he's like,
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Describe the last 1 minute in one word.
oh, joy.
React to, let's do another 170 hour record.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to The Vikasit Way, a one-of-a-kind podcast series brought to you by Vikasit Vidya, co-presented by Ease My Compliance, where we celebrate skill, soul and stories. I, C.S. Swati Baliga, on behalf of Vikasit Vidya, present to you our first ever podcast, Dancing Through the Hours with Ramona Yvette Pereira. Vikasit Vidya is more than just a skill development program. We believe that stories are beyond the textbooks. Education is what comes with experience, one story, one spark at a time. And with the Vikasit Way, we want to bring to you these stories so that you also join us on the path towards success. As we celebrate Friendships Week, this podcast brings to you not just talent, but a relationship rooted in art, culture, and shared journeys. We're delighted to have with us today our moderator and my dear friend Vidushi Shivani Rao, a dedicated disciple of Dr. Sri Vidya and a student of Saurabha Nritya Kala Parishad, Mangalore. She is also a CS article at Chetan Nayak and Associates. We are very delighted to have you with us. Welcome, Shivani. For our first ever podcast, we have with us a world record holder of the Golden Book of Records for the longest Bharatanatyam performance of 170 hours. To mention everything that she has achieved, we might need another podcast. But if I have to cut short to what she has achieved, to mention a few, she has received the prestigious Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Award presented by our Prime Minister Honorable Shri Narendra Modi in 2022. Bal Gaurav Pratishtha from the state government in the year 2021, Kannada Rajyotsava Award by the district government in the year 2017, and many, many more. Meet the golden girl, the very chirpy, the very cheerful Ramona Yvette Pereira. Welcome, Ramona. It is an honor for us to have you with us, especially considering that it is our first ever podcast. We couldn't think of anyone better for this. Thank you for accepting our invitation and being here with us today.
Thank you so much for inviting.
You represent your skill, your dedication towards your art is what Vikasit Vidya stands for. And we truly appreciate what you have been able to achieve, what you have, the hard work that you have put into your art, into representing that at a national platform to show to the world what India can achieve. It's beyond our imagination. So congratulations to you on your great achievement, Ramona.
Thank you so much.
And thank you, Shivani, for, making sure and putting in the efforts to bring her today on this podcast. Means a lot to us.
Thank you.
So to welcome you, our eco-sponsors, Plantcestors, have been generous enough to give you this planter as a symbol of growth that you have been able to, show over a period of time.
Thank you so much.
So Ramona, I've heard that you did your Ranga Pravesham in the year 2019. But when did you actually start dancing?
I started my journey in dance when I was 2.5, and it's been 17 years since.
That's so impressive.
Yes.
We would struggle to walk or run and she's there dancing. But that's nice. Apart from that, in your bio, when my team and I were going through your profile, we found that beyond dancing, there are many other unique talents that you have been able to perform, like dancing on broken glass, on nail pads, on balancing mud pots on her head, dancing on a mud pot,
Smashing mud pots on the head.
Dancing with
Can you imagine
fire,
that? Yes.
hula hoops, like proper karate, all.
Versatile.
Yeah, that's impressive. So, how do you come up with these, wild ideas?
For that, I guess you all might have to invite my mom as well. Sometimes she's the one who gets all these wild ideas, and she was like, "What if we do this?" I was like, "Okay, let's do it."
So, you were always open to trying all of that.
Yes.
So Remo,
Yeah.
please excuse me if I call her Remo because I've known her from like so many years now, so I can't call her Remo now. I know it, but please tell our audience you already have 3 world records in your name. One is the Indian Book of Records in 2017, one is the Bharat Book of World Record in 2017, and another one is the Golden Book of World Record London in 2017. So what else is left now? Like, what else? What more? I mean, do you intend to break your own record in the future, or we will see some TED Talk in your name, or even maybe a Netflix documentary series, Ramona Rising? Tell us what more.
So there are chances that I might try to break my own record.
Wow.
That's
And
awesome.
TED Talk, I have already done it before in
Oh,
the year
wow.
2022.
Okay.
Wow.
And yeah.
So Netflix documentary
This
series.
next, yeah, Netflix if you
seeing
watch,
this.
yeah. So 170 hours, which
Yes.
adds up to 7 days and 2 hours that you have continuously performed, is not an ordinary task. Definitely, I can't even imagine, going 24 hours without sleeping. So it's like God level stuff that you've done, and it requires next level discipline and, the kind of dedication or hard work that might have gone behind it. So, what was your routine that you followed, or the kind of, preparation that this needed physically, mentally? How did you manage to do this?
Okay, so that is a question I keep getting asked, and to be honest, I didn't practice for this. I didn't practice for this because what is there to practice? You
You
have to
ca-
just start dancing and keep on dancing for 7 days straight, and to us. So there was no practice, but mentally, yes, it was. First, I applied for this record around 3 weeks before it began,
Oh, okay.
and
So very short notice that it happened at.
And first 2 weeks I was fine. I was confident enough. I was like, okay, we can do it. Jo hoga, so hoga. And when it came to the last one final week, I'm calling everyone. I'm like, can I do it? Can I do it? Like, is it gonna happen? And that doubt
Yeah,
started
yeah.
coming. I started stressing out. So all that began.
Wow.
Yeah, we
So-
can't imagine what she must be going
I
through at that
know.
time. So much pressure
Yeah.
and everything. Yes.
So when you actually did the performance, you actually managed, during your performance, if I should say, was there a single moment that you felt like you couldn't, go forward, or, that you felt that it's very challenging for you and you wanted to give up? Like, was there a moment like that?
Yes. And that was the very first day.
Oh God. Okay.
It was like the very first day because suddenly there's a lot of changes in my routine.
Mm.
The whole time, like the previous week, I was free. I was like, okay, next 1 week I have to keep on dancing. So now let's enjoy. I was
Okay.
like that. And suddenly there was so much change and everything. And my mistake was that on first day only I put a lot of energy. So
Mm.
when I completed 9 hours over there, by the 10th hour, I
You were
started
extremely
getting very
tired.
bad body ache and everything. And that tiredness, it started hitting my sleep. And I was like, Mama, I can't do it. And she knew that I'm a very hata person. I will tell, but I'll not give up.
Right.
So she was like, okay, you see what you can do.
She left it up to you. Like,
Yeah.
you figure this out now.
Yeah.
You've chosen this, do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
how
your mom,
aunties.
so your mom was there to support you, but she
Yes.
also had the confidence in you that you will,
Yes.
Yeah.
do it.
Yes. That's awesome.
I know.
Yeah.
I think that's much needed for
Yeah,
all of us.
Yes.
So Remo, you got the opportunity to speak to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. So it was during lockdown time.
Yes.
It happened in 2022. So how was that experience like? And what was your first reaction when you got to know that he'll be speaking to you? How did your mom react, and how did everyone around you react? Were
I
you
got
shocked?
goosebumps just listening to it.
Yes.
So
Were you shocked? Were you like happy? Was it a mix of everything? How was it like?
Okay, first thing, just like now, how I'm coughing very bad, I had cold on that day.
Did
I was
people
co-
misunderstand that to be cold
COVID.
or something?
No,
Hope not.
they didn't. And the thing is, just 15 minutes before the award ceremony, I got a call from the central government. And they're like, Ramona, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे. I was like, oh my god, like what is he gonna ask?
Ask,
Like,
yeah.
what should I do? I was
Correct.
very scared. I was excited. I was scared, but more scared because there is no time. There's 15 minutes, and I am scared. I'm like,
Right.
what is he gonna ask?
Ask,
How am I
yeah,
gonna answer?
yeah,
I'm coughing so bad.
Right.
And
So many thoughts at once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I went and told to my mom. My mom is like, "Oh my god, you have cough. What,
What to do?
So-
Typical amma.
yeah. So that was her thought. But we were very happy. We were very
Excited.
happy.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
If
I'm sure
I
that
were to receive a call like that, I'd be like, "Oh, you're a scamster. Don't play with me today."
But if you have awards like that, you will believe. So, Remo, I also had this doubt. As a dancer myself, when we try to dance, we have to bring in the bhava from inside
Yes.
for our audience to connect to us
Yes.
and feel what you are feeling. If I'm crying, if the audience also has to feel that sadness, it should come from within. So it's hard to do it just for an hour. As a dancer myself, I know how hard it is. But how did you do it for like continuous 7 days? And trust me, I was there for most of the days. And whenever you watch her, she had that in her.
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever be the expression. And anybody who watched her live would agree to me. Because how did you, like how?
And me personally, being someone who does not know Bharatanatyam, you don't understand the mudras that you
Right,
follow,
right.
right? So even the language or the songs that you dance to are not in the language that we understand.
Yes.
So the expressions that you gave were enough for us to, connect with
yes,
the
yes.
with the performance.
How did you maintain that bhava throughout the world record?
To be honest, even I don't know. I don't know what to answer. But being like Bharatanatyam was my first love. When you're doing something what you love, you
Right.
do it wholeheartedly.
Right.
So that is what I want to say. over
Right,
there.
right. So you being in that moment only like helped you feel that, and it also connected
Yes.
with the audience. That's
Yes.
awesome. That's awesome.
So, Ramona, when we were going through our profile, like I mentioned earlier, my team and I were going through the endless profile that she has of all the achievements and all her, unique
Talents.
yeah, that she has been able to build over a period of time. So, in that, one thing caught all of our eye was preparing tea on the head while dancing. So I was shocked seeing that. Now I can't make proper tea on the stove top, and she's
Preparing it on the head.
dancing. So first of all, how did you come up with that? And did the tea actually end up being nice? Like, could you drink it later?
So yeah, that thought again it came to my mom.
Okay.
She's the one who gets all these ideas, and I was like, okay, let's
try.
Yeah, and to the other question, yes. And at a point, this dance it became quite famous
Really?
here,
Okay.
and it was more like a welcome dance. So when the guests come, I used to prepare and I used to serve them tea.
Oh, actually,
Yeah.
wow.
That's so cool. So you place like fire on your
Yes,
head, and
yes.
how do you like balance? Like, how do you know the tea is brewed?
That we keep a certain time.
Timer.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Like
She's a
2
planner.
minutes for this and yeah.
That's
And you're
awesome.
never scared that it would spill.
Oh no, I was scared. Especially like when the water boil or
Yeah,
like
right.
every time when you keep milk on stove, it's about to come.
And when we
out.
turn back, only that milk has to spill.
Yeah. Right.
I can feel that boiling water falling on my hand and everything.
My
I used to
God.
be scared, but it used to be fun.
Fun.
I was like, okay, it's so cool. Like, and even those ministers and all used to be like, you know what? I got served by a girl who prepared tea on
On
her
her
head.
head. That's awesome.
So that's very cool for them also.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming to this. Now, every artist will have one embarrassing moment. Maybe during the performance, somewhere you've spoken something wrong, or
And
something
regretted later.
regretted later,
Or
you-
laughed about later.
Yeah. So, do you have such an embarrassing moment?
I have one which
Okay.
my mom still keeps taunting. So I was young. I guess I was in 4th standard something. That time I was performing with pot and candles on top.
Okay.
So I used to be scared of that wax,
Right.
obviously.
Yeah, and it was a very big fest.
Okay.
I took the pot. I blew the candles on the stage.
Happy birthday to Ramona.
I took it, I was like, "Whoo," and I kept it on my head. My
Was it your
mom-
first time doing that?
No, it was not.
okay.
But I was very scared.
You were in
because-
4th standard. You were
Yeah.
a small kid.
And it was so windy. I was like, okay, the wax is gonna fall on me. It's better if I blow
Blow it myself.
Whew. Okay.
So you keep remembering that and you laugh about it.
Yeah.
Right. Actually, Swati, I have to narrate an incident here.
Okay.
Being there with her during the world record, I have an embarrassing moment. Okay?
No.
If I'm allowed to share, Ramu. So this
Don't be
was-
shy, spill the tea.
Spill the tea.
Yeah, which she did not spill on her head.
So this was on the 7th night.
Okay.
Like it was next day was the last day. So this poor girl has not slept for 7 days straight. Imagine. She's dancing continuously and she's tired. She's not in her senses and everything. And we are casually clapping for her. It's around 3 a.m. Okay,
Oh God.
we are clapping for her and she goes like, "Akka," with tears in her eyes.
Oh God.
"Akka, don't clap. My head is aching." And me being me, I continued clapping because obviously she's
Yeah.
not slept. So I was like, let me just slap. I thought it was just upset. Like, stop. So now when we think about it, it's a very embarrassing.
Did you
moment.
remember doing this?
Oh, kind of.
You
kind
do?
of, kind of not.
Now when I speak about it,
Yeah, and okay, let me add up to that. People won't believe me, but my hallucination was so bad
Okay.
that on the last day I can see dead bodies hanging on the stage. I'm like, my God. They're like, what are you looking at? I'm like, I can see bodies. Can you see them?
That's very
right,
creepy.
scary.
Yeah.
Yeah. But imagine the kind of dedication. On that day also, she has not come and told us or
Yeah.
her mother that she's seeing the dead bodies. She continued to do it and see how you've succeeded, girl.
It's very impressive, Ramona, what
Right.
you've done.
Right, right. So I also have this question, and many of our viewers would also want to know: was there like a formal process of applying for this world record? Was there a lot of paperwork or application and approval? How did you go? But just in brief, if you can tell us.
So, every world record from Guinness to India, everything, we have to apply first. So, and there is a fee to pay for the application form. And yes, it's a very simple detail, basic details, and what am I going to attempt for.
Okay.
And after going through that, then they are going to approve our application. Then only we can move forward with it.
Okay.
How long does this whole process take usually?
There also we have a this,
Timeline.
Yeah, like we also have our freedom.
Okay.
Either we can choose the immediate response or standard, which takes some records take at least 2 to 3 weeks, and some takes around 3 months.
Okay.
Oh.
So yours was like immediate. So
Yes.
you applied and you immediately chose to do. That's why it
Yes.
came in this month.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
But it didn't allow you to plan it, right?
To be honest, there was nothing more to plan in it. It was like,
Just
okay,
about
start
attempting.
dancing. Yes.
You were like born prepared for
Yes,
it.
she was born for this and all the other records that she has.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Let's start with your biggest cheerleader. Everybody's biggest cheerleader, our parents. Obviously, your mother, beautiful mother, my Gladys auntie, she's your biggest cheerleader. So, what was her reaction like when you told you want to do this 170-hour record?
Actually, okay, this is quite
Interesting
interesting
story.
story. I never planned for 170 hour.
Oh, okay.
It was
We kept wondering why 170.
Why 170?
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah. So initially the plan was 24 hours,
Okay.
and 24 hours pure Bharatanatyam no one has done.
Oh,
Before,
okay.
yes.
Yeah. So I was like, let's go for 24 hours.
Okay.
And mom was like, okay, 24 hours, go for it. I was like, okay, fine. Then I was like, Then I came to know the break structure.
Okay.
Like 1 hour के लिए 5 minutes,
Correct.
2 hour के लिए 10 minutes, 3 hours के लिए 15
15
minutes,
minutes,
6
yeah.
hour के लिए 30 minutes. This was the break system. So I was like, okay, looks quite promising. So why not 170 hours? I could have chosen 130 hours.
Right.
But
There
no,
was
I-
already a record for that time.
Yes.
So you just wanted to break that. But you went beyond and above so that nobody comes anywhere near you and went for a 170. That is very
Yeah.
impressive.
Even I don't know why did I choose 170
170?
hours. I googled. I'm like, how much is 7 day ka hours? It came like 168. I'm like, okay, plus 2 hours. 170 OCD.
OCD, yes.
You can't just round it off. You
Yeah.
actually have to do it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, 170. I don't want any odd numbers. 168, it's hard to remember.
Right.
170.
Yeah.
You want to make it sound cool also. 170 is cool, bro.
So
That's awesome.
that was the it
Plan.
just randomly came in my mind. We were applying that time, and I called my mom. I'm like, we were applying it in college. I think, ma'am, could you give me 1 minute? I'll call my mom. So I was like, mom, I'll apply for 170. She was like, what? I'm like, I'm applying for 170, which means 7 days, 2 hours.
Right.
She was like, you can do it?
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah. Okay, apply.
Apply.
She
Wow.
was like that.
That's great.
Yeah.
She deserves-
Especially on the part of your mom, where
Mom,
she was
yeah.
there with you day and night.
Yes.
It was more like her journey as well. You know,
Yeah,
right,
you
right.
both were a part of the
Definitely.
same journey.
Yeah.
And
I was there to witness it for the viewers, if I have to tell. When Ramona was sleeping, she was going to sleep, which was hardly for 5 minutes throughout all. She should not eat dinner. She used to be like, no, no. We used to force her, Auntie, please take care of your sister. Like, no, no. If Ramona eats, only then I will eat. So that is really
Yeah.
great. Also, when talking about our mother and our support systems, we cannot forget our beautiful guru, Dr.
Yes.
Sri Vidya. She has played a big role in supporting both of us in our journeys.
Yes.
How was her reaction like when you told her about this?
When I didn't tell her actually that I'm going to do this for 170 hours.
Right.
It was supposed to be a surprise to everyone.
Oh.
But then eventually, like I told her, I'm like, ma'am, I'm planning for a world record.
Right.
But I didn't tell her the time. I was
Okay.
like, I'm not going to tell ma'am the time. I was like, ma'am, was planning to like go beyond 24 hours. Could you help me? She was like, Remo, don't use the same songs. Take this. She was
Different.
sending me so
So
many tracks.
supportive. Right.
And
Right.
in those, one of our favorite tracks was Madhuvekam
Madhuvekam
Kanne.
Kanne.
I watched this.
Yeah, it's going viral everywhere.
It's very cute. Yeah, y'all should watch, viewers.
Oh God. So she was helping me with the tracks and everything, and she was actually busy. We know
Right,
that she
right.
was out of station,
Right.
and when she came to know that okay, this is going for 170 hours, she cancelled
All
all
her
her
plans.
plans and she came here to Bangalore just to support.
That's
Yeah.
a great guru.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sure you're very
Commendable.
grateful.
Yes,
Right. Right.
yeah.
So she
Yes.
was also a part of your journey, I'm assuming, in your previous records, the previous 3 records that you've got, that
Yes.
also were in the field of dance, right?
Yes.
So she was also a part of your journey from back then.
Yes.
She'll be very proud of you for sure.
Yeah, that's a beautiful story, Ramona.
Right.
You know, only when you have this support system with your mother, your guru, your friends who are always there for you, will you have the motivation to go ahead to achieve something
Right.
this big. So your friends are extremely important.
Yeah.
I know that they become your family.
Yes.
So I was personally there on one of the days, and I have seen a big group of friends sitting in the front rows, cheering for you, continuously clapping and dancing with you. So I'm assuming they are from your dance team Horizon
Yes.
and team Saurabha. Shivani was also there. She would come and give us updates every single day like a news anchor. So, your friends have supported you. How did you manage to, create this incredible history with the support of your friends?
So I guess you already answered that question because she mentioned that my friends and family, they became more like my family.
Yes.
And from day one, when they came to know, they came every single night.
Yeah.
Shivani Akka and her mom, Asha auntie, they came every night. They stayed. Either sometimes only Asha auntie used to come, and she used to be like, Shivani Akka is in work, she'll come later on. And Asha auntie used to go, then Shivani Akka used to
We
come.
used to take shifts.
Yeah, they used to play shifts over there. And all of the Saurabha members, they came each day to support. Especially they came and they used to play the Natvangam.
Okay.
To support
What is
me
the
to-
Natvanga?
It's the Tala, which
Okay.
it's a very, you can say that it's the heart of Bharatanatyam.
Okay. Okay. I've seen the special talas that you
Yes,
use. Correct.
yeah,
Okay.
that is the Natvangam.
To give the
Okay.
grip to the dancer, it's basically
Yeah.
Okay.
beats.
Yes. So they used to come and they used to play. And by the end of my record, even their hands were bruised and everything. I
Yes.
still remember that. And Saurabha team played a very big role. And my Horizon members, I can tell them as my Pookie boys. They were with me before even the day one even started.
Okay.
Yes.
They were there. They fought. Few of them fought with their family. They took their bags. They're like, 1 week I'm not,
Not
coming
coming
home. Where are you staying? Their parents were like, I'm staying in my college. Like college? Like yeah.
We'll
Why?
figure things out,
Yeah.
but we need to be there for
Support,
her.
yeah, yeah.
So they left their hostel, home, and everything. And one person even had dengue. That guy just got
He just recovered.
he didn't. No, he was admitted in the hospital first 2 days.
Okay. He was on IV, you mean? Like.
Yes. And the day he got discharged, that day only in auto, he's like, Mama, I want to go to Aloysius. His mom is like, I'll slap you when you should fall and the auto should tilt. Okay, so the support was like so
That
much.
level, yes, yes.
And they were there like to bring food, water, like
Hmm.
Ramona, kya chahiye? Okay, they had to like Ramona, what do you want? Ramona, did you sleep? Ramona, no sleeping. They were
Yeah.
clapping just like Shivani Akka. They like Team Saurabh and Team Horizon. They
Became Team
one.
Ramona.
Yeah,
Yes,
they
yes,
became
yes.
one, and especially I can say the last day, I knew Shivani Akka would cry.
Yeah. I have felt like crying, and now she's become the crying girl or the crying friend.
So of course I know she is my Akka, and that emotion, yes.
Yeah.
But I never expected my boys to cry. They were crying. They all were crying so much.
Badly.
Looking at them, we were like, "What is
Happening.
happening?" It was very emotional. Their support was like
It means a
24/7. Yes, it means a lot. And okay, I'm not gonna mention the name, but there was one boy.
Okay.
He was like whole night he was cheering. I hope you remember. He was like clapping, and he just slept there. Then again he's like,
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
And
We all were hallucinating on the 7th night.
and at a point he even started dancing. He was like this, and he's like this.
That's it.
I was
Yeah.
like, what is happening?
It was
to
scary
this?
to watch.
I was dancing on the stage. I'm like there was one of us,
Okay,
like
okay.
sir and everyone.
Yeah.
I'm like, sir,
What's happening
something
to
is
him?
wrong with
Wrong
him.
with
Please
him?
check what is wrong with him.
Okay.
So all this was happening over there.
Right,
God.
right.
So you mentioned that, Shivani, since you also do your internship, you also work. How did you manage to, make time for her? How did you support her?
Yeah. So the first 4 days, I used to go to office,
Hmm.
and then I used to go after office and
Okay.
stay up till late night. Also to an extent that I don't sleep off in office next day. But the last 3 days, my sirs, Chetan Naik sir and Ujjala ma'am, they were so supportive. They were like, "Go for it! Your best friend's doing this world record." So I'm
Yeah.
really grateful to them as well. They were like, "Take this leave, no problem. Hand over your work, go and
Yeah.
enjoy. Be there for her." And they were super supportive. So I really want to take time to thank them also.
Yes.
So because of that, I was there for her, and it was so more than being there for her. It was such a beautiful experience to watch.
Yeah.
Or random strangers are also coming and
Yes.
crying.
That is true.
Yeah, it became such an emotional connect, and now she's the golden girl of
Of-
Mangalore, of Karnataka,
No,
of India,
of
of the
India.
world now. Yes, so everybody is like so happy and
Yes.
I know.
connected.
It feels personal to us Mangaloreans. It's like a
Yes.
personal win for all of us.
Yes.
Yeah, and the thing is, one thing I'm taking a pride to say this, that this world record, it made the whole Mangalore unite.
Right.
Even the
very
most
true.
unexpected people
Have showed up.
Yes, especially the ministers and bishop and many people.
MLAs.
Yes,
MPs,
MLAs.
yeah.
Yes,
True.
they came, but not as ministers or those big
They
people.
just came as Mangaloreans
Yes.
who wanted to
Right.
support
Yes.
a
Yes.
fellow Mangalorean girl who
Yeah.
has,
Yeah.
achieved.
So the whole Mangalore, it became one.
One. Yes.
We became one, and the last day, my reaction was like, not I did it,
We
did
did
it.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We-
that is very great.
Yes.
Great of you to say that. It is your achievement, but now you've shared it with the entire nation. It is like
Yes.
that. Yes.
So
yes.
it was a very, it's a very proud moment.
Right. We are
For
all
all
very
of us.
proud of you.
Absolutely true.
Yes.
So to celebrate this Friendships Week, and as a symbol of your love to all your friends, we have this hamper from our sustainability partner Fresh Ease. So they are selling these seed friendship bands, and it being Friendships Day ahead, there are some friendship bands for y'all. So please do exchange your friendship bands and make your bond tighter.
Yes.
So
Right.
this is for you.
Thank you so much.
These are the seed bands. Please
Should I
exchange.
go?
Go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, yay. Happy Friendships Day.
They say that friends that dance together grow together. As Ramona dances her way into the Golden Book of Records and into our hearts this Friendships Day, it reminds us that art, achievement, and friendship go hand in hand. Now, let's talk about this duo, Shivani and Ramona. They're not just friends, they're soul sisters, from tying ghungroos to tying up messy buns backstage. They've been each other's support through every high and low. This kind of friendship where one cries watching the other win and both feel like champions. And speaking of celebrating friendships, these thoughtful seed friendship bands are brought to you by Fresh Ease, a brand that believes in the power of purity, just like your bond. So now it's time for something fun. So we have a segment called Unfiltered with Vikasit. It's a rapid fire where we want you to give quick answers. That's the only rule.
Okay.
Be unfiltered.
Okay.
And we will ask you 10 questions
Okay.
back to back.
Okay.
You have to answer in one word or one expression because that's your, strong suit.
Forte.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So there's only one rule. We will ask you questions back to back.
Yes.
Let's begin.
Yes.
Ready, set, go. Your first question is, what food were you craving the most during your performance?
Milk cake from Kapila Bakery.
Oh, one ado you hate doing.
Mandiado.
Describe the last 1 minute in one word.
Joy.
What is more difficult, doing the world record or waking up early for dance class?
Waking up early for dance class.
Describe your friendship with Shivani in 3 expressions. Okay, 1,
Okay.
2.
And okay.
Oh,
That's so sweet.
when somebody says Bharatanatyam is irrelevant.
I want to kill them.
If you weren't a dancer, what would you be?
Oh God, singer.
But
My
you
mom
say
is no.
your mom is a singer.
Yes.
Okay.
When you forget the choreography mid-performance.
One.
The weirdest DMs that you've got after you rose to fame.
You're very attractive.
Oh,
No.
that is true word, but it's creepy coming from some random stranger.
Yeah.
React to, let's do another 170-hour record.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
To top that off, these guys, I didn't know, I was in the audience and there were people screaming once more after she finished 170 hours. Apparently it was her. But
Who
yeah,
wouldn't want to see Ramona dancing for another 170 hours?
she has to go through all of that
But I
again.
did actually. I wore my costumes and I came.
Yeah, you danced.
She immediately performed for another 7 to 8 minutes, which is great. Which all the reels are going viral and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah, you look beautiful that
Thank
day.
you.
Yeah, gorgeous.
So speaking about viral reels and your increasing followers and you are getting so many DMs, appreciations, how are you handling all that fame? What are you feeling like? How are you feeling? It's everything that you deserve, but how are you feeling seeing all that happen?
Okay, one thing there, it's not related very much to the question, but I want to be very clear. So during this world record, some members used to get replies, and some like there was like we used to mention back and everything. I had posted in my WhatsApp status and Insta status that for next few days I won't be using my Insta
Phone.
account. Yeah, phone. My friends will. So whoever had that doubt, my friends were using my phone.
She was not
So-
using her phone during the world record.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, there were so many videos which came during those 7 days, and I started using my phone not the exact day, but the next day something. And I was getting so many calls, and they were like more than 600 DMs and everything. And
That's
here
Have you
Amazing.
opened them so far?
I am trying, and that's where I want to say I am sorry because I am not able to reply to
Each and
individual.
everybody.
Yeah, but I'm very grateful to each and everyone who took their time and congratulated me and supported me and everything. Thank you, and I'm sorry. I will try to reply to everyone one
To
or
the
the other
600 odd
day.
people.
Yeah. So it was very shocking, I was like, oh my god.
What's happening?
Yeah, it was very shocking and I'm very exciting as well.
Right.
I would like to bring something on record. So, as a person that does not know Ramona personally, I just went to support her with my mother. And something I have observed is on stage, in spite, like I think I went on the fifth day.
day.
She has undergone so much stress. She hasn't slept yet. She would smile at every single person in
who
the
came.
audience. She would wave at them when they left. She would, put in the effort, which shows your humility. And even
Yeah.
your mother, she would attend to every guest that has come, her family, like whoever came there to support. She was there, she was smiling at all, she was attending everyone on behalf of you. And that is very impressive. It shows how humble or, this
Down to earth
down to
they are.
earth you are.
Right,
And
right.
that's, I think, it also shows in what you just said. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Remo, what is the one thing you feel see now what you did is pure Bharatanatyam. There
Yes.
was no other dance form, nothing.
Yes.
But since you are a versatile dancer, you do many dance forms and you're good at everything, what do you think is the most misunderstood thing about Bharatanatyam, or what is the most misunderstood thing about this world record?
So one thing is there's a lot of religion thing coming between,
Okay.
and one thing is this record is also to prove that dance has no
No
religion.
religion.
And especially Bharatanatyam, when it comes, people will be like, okay, they have separated art form to religion, which is not true.
100%.
And I want to prove them wrong because it's not written anywhere, and no God has ever said that, okay, this dance is only meant for this person.
Correct.
So that is one thing, and yes, it is pure Bharatanatyam. And why Bharatanatyam? Because Bharatanatyam is my first love.
Yes, yes.
So yes, and to all the people who have been telling all that, just to make it very clear, dance has no religion. Dance is meant for everybody.
100%.
Yeah.
Yes, I completely agree with that. And you have proved it that dance is not for a particular religion or caste or whatever. It's beyond that, and it's for the art lovers.
Yes.
Yes.
So, Ramona, we at Vikasit Vidya focus mainly on skill development. So, your journey has been so inspiring to not just us, but every single person who has followed you, who has, followed your journey. So, through this whole, throughout your life, what are the 3 major skills that you have picked up, which you have mastered, that has brought you to what you did during your 170-hour performance?
One thing, I guess, the dedication towards dance.
Okay.
You will
How many hours of practice did you do? Did you practice daily?
for this record.
Not just for the record,
In
otherwise,
general.
in general.
Yes, and
Okay.
I guess Shivani Akka knows that.
Yeah.
We meet almost every day for practice, and minimum practice is 3 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is together at home. Of course, we are individually practicing in the
Yes.
mornings before going for work or for college.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one thing is dedication, and second thing is sleep.
Which you
is
didn't have
important.
during these
Yeah. Sleep is very important.
Sleeping and resting.
Resting, yeah.
Because we strain our body a lot,
Right.
and
The recovery is very important for you to be
Yes.
able to perform efficiently.
yes.
100%.
So I guess to all the artists and every people, not only artists, every single person, we have to dedicate ourselves to rest as well, because you don't have rest, your body starts giving up, and then
It's
something,
not,
yeah, it might affect in a very bad way.
Yeah.
Okay, and third thing is be happy, whatever it is, enjoy what you're doing. That's it.
Yes, that's awesome.
That's something that we all have to take back. Be happy. That's very important. So, Ramona,
Yes.
I've heard that you're still a student at St. Aloysius Dame to be University. What are you pursuing there? And like your performance was at your college, so they
Yes.
have been of massive support. They've given their
Yes.
support to you. So, how was that for you?
So I know Akka knows we are all Aloysians,
Yes.
and Aloysius.
And I've heard all Aloysians say once an Aloysian, always an
Always an
Aloysian.
Aloysian. Yes. Yes. We take pride to be an Aloysian.
Yes. So the Vice Chancellor, Reverend Father Pravin Martis SJ, he was very supportive. He is very supportive to each and every single individual. When I told Father, I'm like, Father, first I told him about 24 hours. He's like, yes, Ramona, go for it. You have all the support. He didn't even think twice.
Hmm.
And then next moment, I'm like, Father, 170 hours. You're like, 170 hours. You're like,
Are you sure?
you have my whole support, but are you sure? What about your health?
Right.
So he was like, okay, go for it. If you're confident, go for it. I was
Right.
like, okay, thank you, Father. And he and the other staff and students, the council members, they were there the whole night.
Okay.
And a few of our staff, my friends, they were there the whole night to support. Few teachers were coming like in the midnight, 3:30, just to watch my performance. And a few of my friends, they were like call their parents and like, we are going to watch Ramona's performance. They are staff. They even they are like so sweet that they called physio doctors. And Akka knows every
Yeah.
single break,
Break.
those 15 minutes break, physio doctors used to come running and they used to put all those muscle tape and everything. And they were there because of my college,
Okay.
and I'm thankful for that.
Wonderful.
And yeah, the lights, they took care of everything.
Everything.
Everything. My only work was to dance. Like that.
The rest is taken care of.
Yes, very supportive to not only me, to everyone. And yesterday, they kept I can tell it as a celebration, a welcome back celebration, and it was
How did
so,
that feel going back to college after so long?
It felt weird to be honest. You're a student, and all of a sudden you're entering. They're all like
They're
there are
celebrating you.
1,000 students were there.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
all were together, all those banners. They made a separate photo booth and everything. And
Wow.
I'm having this, what is that? Few students as my guards and everything. It was so weird because you're so used.
They escorted you to your
Yeah,
college.
you're so used to go like
Going to
there.
college in uniform,
Yeah.
like a normal girl, and then now this is happening.
Exactly, and it was like going back to my family. Now
Beautiful.
Aloysius is. It's not just a college; it's a family.
Right. Wonderful.
I know.
Yeah.
Like I felt very emotional just listening to that. Wonderful. So Ramona, what is a final message that you want to give to all our viewers?
The message I want to give is, as we have been through this whole podcast, I have mentioned that on the first day only I thought of giving up, and if I wouldn't have been here talking to y'all and everyone. So even if you're in that pain, but you have a slight confidence that you can do it, not even at that moment, at least the previous day and everything, that okay, Ramona, you can do it, then go for it. That pain is all worth it, to be honest. It's worth it. So even if you get the thought of giving up, please don't give up. Just move forward. That's it.
Beautiful
Wonderful. You
message.
should make a tattoo like "Don't give up."
Okay, then my mom will see me.
No, that is allowed.
It was wonderful interacting with you, Ramona. Thank you for joining us. Our snacking partners, Achal Cashews, they have sent this hamper for you, full of dry fruits and nuts to, boost your energy for your incredible journey through your rhythm of resilience.
Right.
Who came up with that name?
My college.
Oh.
But for this incredible journey, Achal Cashews has sent this hamper for you.
Thank you so much.
So do enjoy all the snacks and the
Yes.
healthy food that they have sent across.
Right.
Thank
So
you.
I have a request.
Yes.
Now, I have always seen these Bharatanatyam dancers. During their rehearsal sessions, there is a particular style in which they wrap their shawls.
Right.
Like a pallu. And
Yeah.
I've always tried at home, okay, with my shawl, like how to do it, I never understood. So that's my request to you. Can you teach me how that's done?
Yeah, sure. I also we both will
Yeah.
do it.
And
Yeah.
then we will do a namaste to conclude.
Yes.
Done.
So we all have different ways of doing it,
Okay.
but I prefer pleating.
Okay.
So we start. I'm just pleating. Of course, you might know I'm very bad at it. Okay.
Yeah, that is
So-
something I know.
So we pleat it.
Okay.
Then we just put everything together,
All right.
and then
So you
This-
make a pallu of
Yes.
sorts.
and take, I guess, a small part of it, a little more.
Okay.
Yeah. You keep this part on your shoulder, depending on the
Length.
yes.
Okay.
Just that, and then you spread this out. You spread this out. Yes,
Okay.
and then you take it. You wrap it. You have to pull it a bit up. A
Yes.
bit more.
More.
There's no sufficient
Length,
fabric.
length,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Okay.
You take it, and if needed for more grip, we turn it like
Turn it,
this.
yes.
Depends
My shawl
on the
ends here.
mood.
Yeah, my shawl ends there as well. Okay.
I can get extra roll. And we tuck it.
Got it.
Yay, done.
Oh wow. Lovely. Yeah, Shivani, you being a Vidhushi, now you should teach us. I'm your disciple too.
Okay. We do the namaskar then?
Yes.
Okay. So hold the Kataka Mukha Hasta. Yes.
Like that.
Yes. Yeah. Hit on the right feet. Yes. The left. Yeah. Go like this. Yes. Touch the
Okay.
ground. Then your eyes. Do the namaskar. On top of the head.
Okay.
On top, in front of your forehead.
Okay.
And in front of the chest. And then you bow to the mother. And that's how we do the namaskar. sir.
Beautiful. It was great interacting with you. And thank you, Shivani, for being a part of the podcast. This was fun. At Vikasit Vidya, we believe in building skills that truly make a difference. And Ramona is the living proof of that. Her discipline, determination, and the mastery of Bharatnatyam is not just a testimony of what she has achieved today, but the years of skills that have gone behind it. At Vikasit Vidya, we want to ensure that all our learners and viewers also achieve what she has achieved today. Because at Vikasit Vidya, we believe that education is not limited just to a classroom. It lives in every sweaty rehearsal, every graceful step, and every moment of not giving up. We would like to thank our co-presenters, Ease My Compliance, our snacking partners, Achal Cashews, our eco partners, Plant Cesters, and our sustainability partners, Fresh Ease, for all the wonderful gifts that they have given to our guests today. I hope you all had fun watching today's episode with Ramona Yvette Pereira, as we will be bringing to you more inspiring and exciting stories. So do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram page at Vikasit Vidya. Signing off, goodbye.